Start by whisking 2 egg yolks. Add honey or sugar 70 grams. Add butter 80 grams. Add flour. You can throw a sieve for airness 200 grams. You can pour out the flour in parts. You can all at once, but it will be more difficult to mix the dough. To mix everything, add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Grate lemon zest. Knead the dough. Two - 3 minutes. Divide the dough into 2 parts. Place in freezer for 15-20 minutes. Preparing the cream. Beat with a mixer 2 yolks, add sugar 80 grams, add 3 tablespoons of flour, and 400 grams of sour cream. Lubricate the mold with oil. I have a diameter of 80 centimeters. You can use 20 or 22 centimeters. Taking the dough out of the freezer. The first part ram it on the bottom of the form. Pour out the stuffing . Grate second part. Put in the oven for 30 minutes at a temperature for 150 degrees. Take out of the mold . into a plate. Cut off a pieces. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.